I came here to not actually just take care of you.
Well,
I came here to take care of the entire team.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I came to bless the whole squad, not just the main man. Oh.
Get a really good oh my God.
Big Eddie. And then the
So, you know, the purpose of me coming out here today was to really just take care of all the people that are so underappreciated. They're serving everybody else and no one's serving them. And that's what tonight was all about, is showing up at the end of their shift and being a blessing to them, so tomorrow they got a clean slate. It's what the whole world needs.
I know many women, they do, but adjustments don't lie. It ain't no cap.